with you watching Casablanca. Back row of the track in the show.